Hey guys! For today's video, I will show you how to clean your keyboard at home. This is super easy task to do, so just follow me. So here, I prepared all the materials we're gonna need. So first, wipes. Just not too watery. Fiber cloth or any smooth cloth you have at home. Tissue and cotton buds. This is common or personal hygienes. So now, let's get started. First, go pick your wipes. Just gently wipe all your keyboards until you see that your keys are wet enough to clean. Now, pick your cotton buds, and the reason for using buds is to reach those inside of the keys to make sure to clean deep. Now, go wipe your tissue to make sure you rinse the dirts. And finally, for finishing touch, use the fiber cloth or any smooth silk cloth you have at home. So just wipe it out. And here is the basic cleaning of your keyboard at home. There's a lot more ways to clean your keyboard, but this is the simplest and easiest way to clean it. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.